So now the question is, what is wrong with this car?
It looks like a 4-cylinder Ford motor.
We're gonna have a quick check if there's still oil in it.
And I think that's where this whole thing is stuck on. Well, look at that, 2 original double Weber carburetors. Isn't that nice? With serial numbers and everything.
I am not going to start it up. I need to change the oil first and a couple of other things I need to check, but I still want to see if I can crank it around. Maybe the engine is seized, so let's have a look.
I mean, who makes the connection with aluminum on a battery? That's really weird.
Starting an engine that has been sitting there for 10 years is not a good idea without doing some checks. And then here is the clutch cable, which is really in the way. This is going to catch something while you're driving it. So, and it's held together with some twisted wires. So draining the fuel tank is a bit more difficult. So I don't even know how much fuel there is in there, but I'm gonna let it run a little bit, not too long, so everything is flushed through. Pistons that are inside the calipers are not retracting anymore. We reconditioned it, we took care of the discs and we smoothed them all out, and we painted the uprights and we painted different parts of the suspension like the wishbones. We checked the bushes and all that. So now all that is ready to go back onto the chassis. See how rusty that is. Up because the piston will push them open. Try to keep it as close together as we can. We have flushed all the brake pipes, and we also know that the master brake cylinders are working and are not leaking. Side is now complete. On this cylinder, we had a good compression, but still, I can hear a hissing sound. Close attention to the progression holes. And it doesn't really matter if it's a 35 or a 40. Be careful
priming this out. And therefore, you need to know a couple of things if you're going to build a carburetor, because the barrel is limited. If you have a 40 DCOE, then the barrel is only 40 millimeters. On the vertical axis, you see the main venturi in millimeters, so a 15, a 20, 25, 30, and so on. For the crankshaft, I should be able to pull that, see? I still don't know exactly on how to fit it, but we'll find that out very soon. And then move that up. I am not going to use this. Away with it. Because otherwise I'm going to keep pushing. Exactly the same dimensions. Did you see the spark? This is about right. How it goes. Rubbers don't like vibrations a lot. But before I can do so, I need to remove all the lights. Don't worry about the tape, guys. I have sanded down the polyester patches and all the repairs we've done on the fenders. So I'm going to let it cure. I think this is quite alright.
And now that's a little bit of fiddling. And this is the end result of Old Sporty.